Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to get the neon lights filter for your Snapchat. And then once you have it on Snapchat, you're obviously able to make videos for TikTok and Instagram and stuff like that. So it's a very cool filter. All you have to do to get it is go down in the description. I have a link there to send you over to this website right here. It's just a link off Snapchat, and then once you're on this website right here, you just want to click on Open Snapchat, and then it's going to throw the link over to your Snapchat, and you'll be able to open up to this new lens found notification right here. Once you see this, you just want to click on Unlock for 48 hours. And then you'll be able to add neon effects to your Snapchat, just like this. And then obviously you can just go ahead and record a video. And then you're able to download that and save it so you can post it on your TikTok or any other device. I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing how to get this filter. If it was helpful to you, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.